Here, you want your shotgun? You want your shotgun?
She was a fairy.
Alright, hot potato.
Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. You didn't even pull the pin. Well.
Tyler. What is bro doing? What the hell are you
Go
doing?
get it.
Hit him! Get the bad boy! Jace, don't move. Jace, you're gonna get us all killed. Jace, what are you doing? Give. Alright, who did that? Oh, I'm still alive. Yo, who is that? Who is that? How did you survive?
It's Silas. I didn't put my hands up.
Silas just stayed still and he survived.
Hey, no one steal my stuff.
Where are you?
Bring it.
I don't know where your backpack
Back
is.
away.
Let's go in the cave.
I'm running. Yeah, what the fuck?
No, don't drop the egg.
Go, brother. You got this.
No!
I'm not messing.
Guys, Jace just dropped the egg. Jace just dropped the egg. He just threw the egg down there. Go get it. It's down there. Go get it.
Cute puppy. Look at him. He's so cute. Wait, he just jumped down there? No.
Shoot him, Bob. Get him. Still deciding. This one. Oh, you survived. My turn. It's so loud in here. Ooh, I survived. Far left. You survived. Whoa, are you cheating, mister? You better not be up there. That is loud.
Echo.
Oh, wait, you gotta go fast or else the button's reset. Oh, wait, never mind. It's fine, because you just click. Tyler! Go in there.
Michael, don't leave me here.
Hi there.
Long before time.
Hold down.
Alright, I'll go.
Tyler, stop! Tyler, yo!
Kaboom! Yes, we go. Kaboom!
Just give me my money.
Yeah!
Give me your turn.
Okay, my turn, right? Just give me my money.
Yeah!
Your turn.
My turn. Ready? Just give me my money.
But what the hell, boy?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.